If you love that super clean feel when you cleanse your skin, Special Cleansing Gel should definitely be your first choice of cleanser. Special Cleansing Gel is formulated for all skin types, and amazingly, it's a soap-free foaming gel. And that's important because what it means is that it will not strip the skin. In other words, it doesn't impact the skin's protective barrier. You need just a small amount, less than I've used, just a pea size, to cleanse the face and the neck, and then you just rinse it with warm water, which is great. It's best to use this after the Dermalogica pre-cleanse, whether that's the oil or the balm, so that your skin is perfectly prepared for any of the other steps. You can see that gentle lather that comes up on the skin. It glides over. It actually feels quite velvety on the skin. Very little fragrance as well. But as first step goes in that skincare regime, this is quite key. When you are done, you can wash it off. Easy to use in the shower if you prefer. You could use a little face washer if you felt like you needed to, but you don't really have to. And of course, there you've got that bright, hydrated skin ready for the next step.